Are you ready for a sensitive topic? Today we'll talk about orgasm. How does it arise? How is it useful, besides enjoying it naturally? Scientists define orgasm as the reaction of our body to stimulated erogenous zones rich in nerve endings. In men, this is the glans penis, and in women, the clitoris. During sex, the main signals are transmitted to the brain along three nerves. Iliac-hypogastric. It is associated with the uterus and its neck in women and the prostate in men. Femoral Genital. It innervates the penis and scrotum in the stronger sex and the clitoris in women. The ileo-inguinal. It transmits signals between the brain and rectum and clitoris in women. Also in the process of obtaining sexual satisfaction is the vagus nerve. It is thanks to him that women with spinal injuries experience an orgasm. When a nerve impulse from erogenous zones enters our brain, dopamine production begins. It allows us to experience pleasure, participates in the formation of addictions. Therefore, having experienced an orgasm once, we strive for it again and again. All this is accompanied by a rush of blood to the pelvic organs. When both nervous tension and dopamine concentration reach their peak, we directly experience an orgasm. This is a powerful nerve discharge that accompanies muscle cramps. At the climax of sex in our body, two more neurotransmitters are released: serotonin and oxytocin. The first is responsible for the opportunity to experience pleasure. The second promotes relaxation and reduces stress. Both hormones are involved in the formation of affection. Therefore, we sit down on high-quality sex with a specific partner. During orgasm, a huge amount of blood rushes to our brain. Together with it, cells are saturated with oxygen and other nutrients, and therefore mental activity improves. Moreover, pleasure activates and has a beneficial effect on the whole brain, unlike puzzles. So solving Sudoku or crosswords only stimulates local areas of the brain. When we enjoy ourselves, we slow down aging. This conclusion was made by Barry Komisaruk from the University of Rutgers in the United States. In the course of his research, he found that orgasm relieves pain. So in addition to pleasure, we also pump our brain and prolong youth. Why not regularly have sex then? But the benefits of orgasm do not end there. What else is happening with our body? Immunity improves. A blood test of men and women regularly experiencing an orgasm showed an increased concentration of white blood cells. They help us fight viruses and other infections. In addition, our reproductive health is directly dependent on the number of orgasms. They will improve blood circulation in the pelvis. This reduces the risk of prostatitis and prostate cancer in men. And women are less likely to develop cervical cancer and endometriosis. Did you know that women are able to experience meiotic, or as Western scientists call it, corgasm? Satisfaction is achieved due to the tension of the muscles of the core and hips. About 10% of women experience it regularly when doing fitness. Cum shots are not synonymous with orgasm in men. Ejaculation is not always accompanied by complete satisfaction. Part of the guys at the same time experience a discharge like during urination or generally unpleasant pain. Multiple orgasms are available not only to women, but also to men. Outdated stereotypes and fear of exploring your body outside of the penis interfere with many of them. Do you always have an orgasm during sex? Write your comments, share the video, and subscribe to our groups in social networks. We try to create the most interesting and useful videos for you.